Hi, welcome to week 2. So with week 2, um, this week we are going to be looking at basic coding guidelines, chapter 4 and 7. With this week, let's keep in mind we are really going to focus on different things like principal diagnosis. We are going to focus on the Uniform Hospital Discharge data set. We're going to look at the medical record as a source. And then we're going to actually get into the basic steps of how to look up a code. So that's going to be exciting. You're going to look a word or a main term up in the alpha and double check it in the tabular section. And so we're going to go through different things like that. Now, chapter 7, again, we're going to get into more coding, which students enjoy. So we're going to get into, again, different rules. So with this week, you will have assignment 3. We do have a discussion. And then also, at the end of this week, you will have an exam. So this exam is going to be over just different things like rules that we've covered and some basic coding. So it's going to be an exciting week. And our educational learning objectives are coding guidelines, our program learning outcomes and common learning outcomes do stay the same.